Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to cover another HackerRank.com program or challenge in Python. Let's go ahead and read through it and then we'll solve it together. This one we're going to do is called swap case. You're given a string and tasked to swap cases. In other words, convert all lowercase letters and uppercase letters and vice versa. So essentially, if you have a capital, we want to change it to lowercase. If we have a lowercase, we want to change it to uppercase. Pretty straightforward. There are some constraints. They're saying greater than 0, less than 1,000. So they give you an example here. So let's go ahead and solve this one. Now what we're going to do is actually a for loop and an if-else statement. So the for loop is going to iterate through the string and it's going to check each letter. And then we're going to do an if statement and we're going to ask, is this a caps? Then we're going to change it to lower. Is this an upper? We're going to change it to lower. Sorry, if this is lower, then we'll change it to upper. So first thing what we'll do is we need to store this in a variable and we'll just create an empty string called result. And then let's do our for loop. So for I in S, which is our string they've given us, and we'll start our if statement. So for if I, and we'll do a comparison of equal dot, or the iteration of I that we're looping through. So if it's upper, then we want to store this in a result. So what we're going to do is take the result plus I dot lower. And I'll explain this. So result is the first I, and then it's got to loop through it again, and we want to make sure we continue to add each letter. So every time we're going to take result, so that would be 2 characters, and then the third time 3 characters, and we're just going to keep adding to it. So we're going to add each I to that and store it back in result. So upper, change to lower. And then what we can do is everything else, we can just do a result equals results I dot upper. So everything else, meaning if it's lower, it's going to change to upper. Okay, we need to add that. And let's go ahead and run it. We forgot to return result. Now let's go ahead and run it. There we go. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below. And if you'd like to see more of these, please check out the YouTube channel. See you in the next one. So long.